In this AED audio instructional video, we will show you how to install and use the NetControl version 24.1.1 software on Windows and on a Mac OS computer. The AED NetControl software allows you to control and configure the AED Audio Flex 6, Solid 15, and Solid 28 settings remotely over a network. Download the latest version of NetControl from the AED Audio website. It can be found on the Support and Downloads section for your corresponding platform, Windows or Mac OS. The download link can also be found in the description. For Windows users, unzip the downloaded files and click on the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. For Mac OS users, unzip the downloaded files and click the DMG setup file. A window will open showing you to drag the NetControl icon into your Applications folder. After installing, click the NetControl icon to start the software, but make sure you have inserted the USB expert key in the computer's USB port. Without this dongle, the software is non-functional. The USB expert key is available for purchase at AED Distribution or your local distributor, which can be found on the AED Audio website. Mac users may get a warning when trying to open the NetControl software for the first time. Next, go to System Settings of your Mac and click the Privacy and Security icon in the left tab. Scroll down until you see a window saying, AED Audio NetControl was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. Click Open anyway. First, connect your speakers to the mains and switch them on. Connect your computer to the Flex 6, Solid 15, or Solid 28 speaker via the Ethernet port with a Cat5 cable. Mac users need to click the refresh button in the lower left window in order to make the speakers appear in the left column of NetControl. Right-click the icon to open the speaker settings. You now have full control over all your speaker settings like name, EQ, or volume, and other parameters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for future updates. Enjoy using your AED audio system.